The founder, I've like seen his videos before, but not of this bag. I've just seen him like being a prominent flight person, like in that community.
Yeah.
And his videos are always really fun. So like when you told me it was that guy, I was like, oh, that's so cool. Like,
I know. My first initial reaction when I pulled it out was it was a lot smaller than I was expecting.
The planes that you fly in are like not large, so there's not a lot of room.
That's true.
So like, especially like the width of it is useful.
He talked about one of his videos, the pattern being a little hexagon. And I feel like anyone,
Bestigons.
yes, hexagons are the bestigons. And anyone that appreciates a hexagon,
A+.
they are indeed a bestigon. This, their little logo, is the same. Oh, what? That's cool.
But so you can like do the luggage thing. Let's figure out where the quick access glasses pocket.
I think it's
Oh,
this.
it's this.
Oh, okay.
This feels like Peak Design kind of. Like same kind of zippers, similar material, which that's like a compliment. Like they're my favorite bags.
Oh, yeah,
So.
no, they're stunning. It holds up to an 11-inch tablet. Okay.
Really?
That's what it says. Oh, for the pens? That's nice. Oh.
My ID, passport maybe, 2 pens.
Snacks, batteries, and more.
Oh, okay. So
Oh,
just,
because
like,
there's a lot of headsets that have batteries.
Oh,
We're just
sure.
old. No, not old, but
Very analog.
yeah.
Yeah, no, that totally makes sense. There's a lot of like hidden little compartments for like small stuff. You could also fit like maybe a little screwdriver.
These are not bestigons, but they still feel niceagon.
Ooh, that's good.
I kind of want to put it in a cannon and see how far it goes and like prove how durable it is, because like no matter how many videos you see, you can't like physically understand how durable it feels.
Right.
A cannon will prove it. Oh, that's nice. It's not in the middle, so it's like flush on your body. Wow, what a gem, this man.
Wow.
Wow, and then there's even the logo here.
But it's like a muted logo.
It's a very faint
It's not,
rubber
like,
print.
in your face.
Oh, there it is again. There it is again. Oh, on this side. Okay. No, yeah. If you had to rate this bag, what would you rate it?
I don't know, it's like an 8 or a 9.
Dang, what's the one lacking?
Just the opening mid-flight situation, because I'm really forgetful. So I always like need a notepad, or I like need a, I don't know, I just like forget some stuff. So having the ability to just be like, whoop, and like, oh, there's my stuff. That's really helpful. For this one, you'd have to be like, all right, and then with the little T-Rex on it, because you know you're in a Cessna. Honestly, if you're like not a student pilot.
Yeah,
This
that's what I was
seems
about to
like a
say.
10
If you are done with your private,
Yeah.
I think like this bag is like
Yeah.
great.
I think
I feel like this is a bag that like, yeah, you're working hard to get your private, but you're working hard to get this bag.
Right.
Yeah, that's how you know you graduated.
Yeah,
you
this
know?
is like a private pilot graduation gift.
Yeah.
To yourself.
Ooh. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, there's not a lot of like great flight bags, I don't think. Like honestly, I think this is the best like modern style flight bag. Yours is definitely a lot more modern and sleek and light. This empty is heavier than this full. Try picking this up, like it actually is.
Well, yeah, it's like
Leather.
top-notch fancy leather, and like
Yeah.
all of the materials are really high-quality hardware. And not
Yeah.
saying this isn't, but it's just different.
I think for a flight bag, this one is more practical, especially if you're gonna be moving around a lot, because
Yeah.
it is a lot smaller, and the lightness just makes it easier to move around.
And especially for corporate pilots, they're gonna be like
yeah.
walking all day. They don't need all this extra luggage to be lugging around.
Right.
This is my flight bag. as of right now. For reference, the bag that I'm holding, it's not technically a bag, but I like all the little loops, so I could just buy little carabiners and then just attach things to it. But it is the Nike Men's Blue Sportswear AF1 tote bag, and the release date was 2017-11/27. This is the size comparison. Granted, I feel like when you're learning to fly, you just have more books and papers, because I always see like students with this big of bags.
Right, and then it gets smaller.
Or yeah,
and it turns into like an iPad, and that's it.
For me, I am a student pilot, so I have a lot more random things, but I have this massive book for like analog notes, all of my papers from the CFIs, my checkbook, and then a sectional. And obviously this does not fit here.
You don't think so?
No. But again, I feel like as a student, you just have an excessive amount of things.
Yeah, it's way too much.
I don't know.
You need it all.
This stuff does not fit. Oh yeah, they fit.
Easy.
Nice.
These would probably fit in like the extra little pockets.
This guy. Maybe.
A little bendy. Maybe this one.
Wow.
Just a little wider.
And then
E6B can just go here, I guess.
maybe let's put the headphones first and see how well that goes.
Oh, yeah.
He said they purposely left room on the top for snacks.
Nice.
It's like, fits any headphones.
Makes sense.
Makes sense. Oh, it fits.
Wow.
How fun is that?
This little extra like shell lid situation.
It's like
Helps
weirdly
a lot.
like the most perfect amount of room. I love that. I'm gonna put my bear here just because like if this is my flight bag, bear's coming. So let's put the flying eyes in. Where is it?
Right here.
That's it?
Yeah.
It won't hurt him? What do you think about that?
Wow.
What do you think about that? How fun is that? Sunglasses in a bag. Let's see, is it heavy? Maybe I'm just super strong.
Maybe that's
Wait,
it.
try it.
Wow.
Wow, great job. There are a lot of nice flight bags, but like we didn't think we'd use them as much. I use like an old gym bag that I got from somewhere a long time ago. $169, a naughty bag.
I think it's priced fairly.
Yeah,
I could see this being like $250, honestly.
okay, how much were our flight bags? Yeah, so the retail price on Tyler's flight bag was $629. The retail price on mine now is $174.
Dang, so this is less than both.
Yeah, no, this is an incredible price. I read some of the comments when he did his YouTube video where people were like, oh, like, I heard 169 and immediately exited. And I was like, what? Like,
Yeah, but like those are probably the type of people that are cool with using like a grocery bag. But like,
yeah,
this is like an elevated version of like whatever you're using already.
and it's water resistant.
Wow.
I get kind of clumsy. Everyone's like, you want a water bottle? You want a water bottle before we go up? You want a water bottle? And I'm like, oh yeah, I want a water bottle. And I go up and then everyone's like, oh, there's the turbulence. And then they like spill it. And I'm like, oh man, my bag's wet.
Oh, no.
I know. That only happened
But
to
this
me.
solves it.
This solves the problem. This is
Wow.
fun. So I don't know, maybe
Dang, and if it did stay open, like we have been talking about, then it wouldn't be waterproof. So they thought everything.
They did think of everything. You know what? I changed I actually didn't give a number yet. So I give it a 10 for,
Okay.
based on all the specs, the price, the feel, the founder, and the company's history. I don't know, and it's something we both agree on. Style-wise.
Yeah. Oh, for sure.
I don't know. 11 out of 10 even.
Ooh.
Ooh, I know.
Oh.
I know, sorry.
Wow.
Yay, I'm excited. I'm super, I'm so excited.
No, this is like really nice.
So nice.
I'm jealous.
We can arm wrestle
Oh, okay.
to see who can wear it to Osh.
Wait.
When I started flying, someone told me to go buy a tool bag from Home Depot. First I was like, what? And then that's their flight bag. Then we went on their plane and that was actually kind of perfect for them. So it really is just like everyone's personal preference.
Yeah.
So after that, I was like, wow, maybe I want a tool bag. But then I ended up using an old gym bag. So I was like.
And it worked.
And it worked. I love my gym bag. And I love my teddy bear that I put on my gym bag.
Yeah.
And I love your flight bag. But I like really love this.
Cool.
All right, how do we end this video?
We just did. Bye.
Bye.